Okay, Jaheem, we're going on a nature walk. Okay.
Nature walk.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. And we're going to identify foods that we eat. Mm-hmm. Right. Look at that. What is that?
What is that?
Yeah, what is that? It's sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
What is it?
Sugar cane.
Okay, let's make another walk. Another food, Jaheem. Look at this.
Another food.
You know what is this? Come and look at it.
Food.
This is okra.
Okra.
Okra?
Okra.
Touch it.
Okra.
This is the okra.
This is okra.
Mm-hmm. That up in the tree.
Look at that up I see.
You know what is that?
What is that?
Yeah, what is that?
Orange.
No, that's banana.
Just banana.
What is it?
Banana.
Banana?
Banana.
Okay. Goes another food that we eat.
Coconut.
Yes, that's coconut.
Got coconut.
Mm-hmm. So this plant is where we get that sweet, juicy fruit called pineapple.
Pineapple and juice.
Yeah, so we get pineapple from this plant.
Yes.
Yes. Now that we finish our nature walk, it's washing hands time. Okay,
Washing hands time.
Yeah, so go ahead and wash your hands with the soap.
Look. I didn't like it.
Okay. Okay. Good job. Now Daddy's gonna wash his hands now.